Hi friends, I am Shirish Pandit. Welcome to my channel India X Russia. In this video, I am going to tell a few tips to learn any foreign language easily. So let's get started. Why are you learning a new language? There are various objectives for learning a foreign language. Firstly, you have to be interested in learning a foreign language. When you ask yourself the reason or motive behind learning a foreign language, you should have a specific answer. You are learning a new language either as a hobby or for official purpose or to make a career as translator or interpreter in that language. Maintain a schedule. If you are learning a language for career, then you need to study more often. However, 1 or 2 hours a day can be enough for all type of learners. The more dedicated you are, the earlier you will learn. Maintain a dedicated notebook. You have to maintain a separate notebook for the language you want to learn. Start writing important notes, important points, new words or phrases that you have come across while studying. Start with alphabets. Alphabets are considered as a base to learn any language. If you learn the alphabets of that language thoroughly, you will be able to read any word, sentence or phrases easily. Read books. Reading books is the best way to learn anything, be it any storybook, grammar book or your notebook. It increases your reading ability and vocabulary. Keep a stock of books related to that language and decide a goal to finish reading books on time. Watch movies, listen to songs. These days, a lot of platforms are available to watch movies, dramas on websites. Search different movies of the language and start watching on regular basis. This will increase your vocabulary and learning will be a fun and source of entertainment. Watch learning videos and download apps. There are many channels on YouTube like Innovative Language and FluentU that teach different languages. There are many apps like Duolingo, Memrise, which help you to learn the languages with ease. You can watch them when you are on journey or during your free time. Link given in description. Try to speak in that language. You must have gathered some words and small sentences in that language. Try to speak these words and record your voice. You can compare your pronunciations with apps like Google Translate. Try talking to yourself or your family members in your day-to-day work. Doing this will improve your accent and vocabulary. Make a native buddy to talk with. To improve your language learning skills faster, you must find a native friend with whom you can talk. You can find a native friend on networking sites like LinkedIn or Facebook. When you find a friend, make sure that he or she should have some common interest, which can help you learn faster. He or she will be the best teacher who can correct your mistakes and guide you regularly. So friends, follow the tips and start learning. Hey, please like, share and subscribe and comment your thoughts. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Dasvidaniya.